I almost just turned the camera off instead of pressing record. That's the type of day I'm having. Hello, hi, welcome. I have a haul video for you guys today. I don't know what else I was gonna say after that. Let's just get into it. A haul, here we go. First thing I got is this Carhartt shirt. I thought this was just a regular Carhartt pocket tee long sleeve, but no, it is Carhartt fishing. Yay. Carhartt sells really well for me. This is a size large, men's large. There it is. I found this cute Burton dress. I don't really pick up Burton anymore. I think I have a couple Burton things in my closet for sale. I know I have a pair of Burton jeans that have just been sitting forever. I might just like throw them out the window because I'm just sick of them being in my closet. But this dress was cute. I don't remember the size, but it's really cute. It looks like this, and this is a maybe almost maxi dress. Really cute, and it's like super soft and stretchy, and I don't remember the size. Madewell Turtleneck. This is a size small. Looks like this. I just like the colors of this. It's kind of like basic, but I don't know. I like the colors. Okay. Found a bunch of Free People stuff. I'm trying to stay away from, well, not really stay away from Free People, but just get substantial pieces like what's her name, McThriftsy. You guys watch her? She's always like substantial pieces. Like she always talks about buying pieces that are substantial, so I'm going to use that word. Anyway, this is Free People, size extra small. This is the flowers in her hair tunic, I think. This definitely fits like a small, maybe even a medium, but it's really pretty. All right, another Free People top. This is the something thermal. I forgot the name of it. Size small, but it's like super oversized and like a high-low type situation. This does have a hole in it on the front, but it's not that noticeable. I found this shirt in the men's section. This is skull shirts. The comps looked decent. It's a size medium. Got some badass skulls on it with some like studs here, and then on the back is this just, I think it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing on the back, but no studs on the back. What? Well, I guess that'd be weird if you're like laying down, maybe in the studs on your back. I don't know. Found two Anthropologie pieces. I don't know how to say this brand. ETTTWA. That's what the tag looks like. But I found two blazers. I forgot what these are called, but they're, I mean, this one's kind of wrinkled because it's been sitting in a bag. But it is washed. I will steam it before I mail it out. But I just thought this was really pretty. It's like a longer blazer. It has pockets. Found this black one too. The comps looked really good on both of these. Something else from Free People. This is a size extra small. This definitely fits like a small. It's raw hem on one side, but not on the other. Really excited to find this brand. It's my first time finding it. It's Arc'teryx. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I saw Kaylee talk about it. I'll link her channel down below. She said this is a brand to look out for, and yeah, I'm excited to see how this will do. This guy needs a little shavy shave. We got some pilling, but it's just a really nice jacket. This definitely reminds me of like Patagonia. Like the quality feels like Patagonia-ish. Aster is the label. Size small. It's just a really pretty pink sheer blouse. Two Lululemon tank tops, and I know I said I'm going to be more selective, but I can't leave Lulu behind. I can't. I know people are like, no, tank tops don't sell. I just can't leave it behind, okay? Okay. This one, I don't know what this one's called, but this is a size, I think it's a size 10. It measures as a 10. It's this really pretty color, and then the back scoops like pretty low. I don't know what this is called. If anyone knows and wants to help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it, because Lulu Fanatics is, it's time consuming because there's literally like 15,000 different Lululemon tank tops. This one I'm pretty sure is the Power Y Racerback, or the cool Racerback. I'm pretty sure. It looks like this. It's pink, and this measures as a size 6, I think. I think it was a 6. I found this really cool Adidas Burton collaboration shirt. This is a men's large, but it's got like this cool looking bear on the front. I found this Nike Windbreaker. This is a size medium. Really nice. This is not vintage. It is from spring 2009. I don't know how many years ago that was. It's 13 years ago. Yeah, 13, I think. My husband and I have been together since 2010. That'll be 12 years. Yeah, 13 years. North Face jacket, really, really nice. It's a size small. I love the color. I don't know what this is called. Does North Face have style numbers? Yeah, I feel like they do. I need to take a picture of this and look it up. Because, you know, when you know the names of things, that's better than being like, purple fleece jacket. I thought this sweatshirt was cool. This says Wrangler Retro. This is size medium. This is super soft inside. I don't think this has ever been worn, but it's got this really cool like bandana print on it. It's just a crew neck with the Wrangler logo right there. I don't know. I just thought this sweatshirt was cool. I might keep it. I like this. This is a Torrid shirt, size 2, a Torrid size 2, so that is a 2X, and it just has giraffes all over it. I thought it was cute, and it buttons down the back. It's definitely very sheer, so you gotta wear something underneath, or not, or you can not and, you know, rock it like that. But yeah, I thought this is cute. I found a Lularoe sweatshirt. I just got this because I liked the color combination. It's just a tie-dye sweatshirt. I don't know. I like the pink and the black. And this was new with tags, but the tags fell off in the friggin' bag, so this is new without tags. This is a size medium. This just cute little sweatshirt from Victoria's Secret Sport. This is a size medium. I just thought this was cute. This is their Victoria's Secret Sexy Sport. You know, you want to be sexy when you're looking sporty. I don't know. I thought this is cute. It's like pretty oversized. It's got a little pocket in the front. On this Matilda Jane sweater, this is a size small. I thought this was cute. The color is fantastic, like this green color. But look how cute that is. Like the little ruffledness in the front. I don't know. I thought this was cute. I have another Matilda Jane item for sale in my closet. It's just like a plain t-shirt. It really got much attention, maybe because it's a plain t-shirt. But I don't know. I thought that sweater was cute, so we'll see how that does. This is a Mave dress. Mave is an Anthropologie brand, I think. I always get Anthropologie and Urban Outfitters confused, but you guys come through in the comments and you let me know. Like, no, Vanessa, it's Urban Outfitters, or no, it's Anthropologie. You guys let me know, so I appreciate it. This is a size large. This dress is cute. It's just got like, I don't know, V's? Yeah, V's for Vanessa. And it's midi length, really cute. Back looks like that. We have like some kind of pleatedness going on in the middle right there. The last couple things are some denim. Silence and Noise. I think that's Urban Outfitters. You guys will let me know. This is a size 30. I thought these jeans were cool, okay? They're just like a gray, like light black, but they have like zippers here. You can like let your hips hang out, have some, wait a second, hold the phone. It friggin' zips all the way around. I thought, oh wait, there's 2 zippers. Yeah, so you could let the hips and the tramp stamp hang out. Do you guys have a tramp stamp? I have a tramp stamp. In my defense, I got my first tattoo, which is on my lower back. On my 18th birthday, I actually wanted to get, this is a little story time. I wanted to get my tongue pierced on my 18th birthday, and I went to the, did I even show you guys this? You can like zip it. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know why you'd do that. Anyway, yeah, I went to the tattoo piercing place on my 18th birthday, and I'm like, I want to get my tongue pierced. And the guy looked at my tongue and he's like, I can't pierce your tongue. He's like, you have a huge vein in the middle of your tongue, and if I pierce it, you're gonna bleed out and die. I'm like, can I get a tattoo instead? I gotta do something. I'm 18. I gotta be rebellious. Because I was such a good kid. Turns out the guy was totally, didn't even know what the hell he was talking about, because like 2 years later, I went, I think to the same place. It was a different person working. And they're like, yeah, we'll pierce your tongue. I'm like, okay. I'm like, are you sure you can do it? Because somebody here told me that you can. I'm gonna die if you do it. And they're like, no, I can do it. So yeah, I had my tongue pierced. And that was cool until it started like wearing down the enamel on my teeth. Like every time I talked, it would like touch my teeth, and my dentist was like, take that out immediately. That's so bad for your teeth. So yeah, I had my tongue pierced. I had right here pierced too. I still have a little scar. I had, of course, I think every girl had their belly button pierced, but then once I had kids, I was like, nope, this shit's coming out. This ain't happening. You guys don't care about that shit, do ya? These are really cute pants. Big ass zipper around the waist and then zippers on the ankle. Yeah, I don't know. I thought these were different. Saw these jeans. I'm like, what are these? I need to get them. These are LL Cool J jeans. Like, what? LL Cool J had jeans? Like, I don't, okay. Size 11. I think the waist was a 32 when I measured it, but these are like flare to, oh, the pockets. Like Y2K for sure. Jeans. Look like that. Flare, and then look at the back, guys. You got this big friggin' like keyhole thing, peephole on the pocket. Like, what? I don't know. I thought I'd take a chance on these guys and see. I feel like this is good, like Depop material, but I've given up on Depop. And the last thing, my bread and butter American Eagle jeans. These are the just the jegging jeans, size 12. These are distressed, just jegging jeans. That is it for this haul. If there's anything that you see that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.